never dey drink garri for Nigeria? Who never drink garri for Nigeria before? You wey dey talk, you never drink garri before? Carry your mouth, put them inside bag, zip am. If you think that you are my problem, my dear, remember what I said. You can never be my problem because of say you are not God. Assuming you are God now, you say, not my problem. Not my problem. One day, you are not my problem. If you like gossip from now till tomorrow, you are giving yourself headache. Learn how to be on your own business. Learn how to leave people's problem alone. Focus on your dream. Focus on your children. Focus on your husband or your wife. Focus on what you are doing to earn